What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, Eat with Coral Blush. Look what we've got, you've seen the little picture that inspired us. So look at this guys. Oh, here we've got homemade roast potatoes that look absolutely gorgeous. These are regular sized pigs in blankets, homemade. Look at them. This is just chicken breast cooked and sliced. This is stuffing. We've got some mint sauce, some cranberry sauce and delicious thick peppery gravy. We've got 2 buttered buns here. And we're going to make those lovely looking sandwiches and eat as much as we can eat, guys. So hello and welcome.
David.
Right. Oh, I'm going to make my sandwich up. Nice. Them roasties do look fantastic, like. They look flipping amazing. Oh, just as soon as I seen the picture, guys, I went, oh, that's for next video, like. So he went to the shops and got all the stuff in. And here we are. You didn't realise we were doing a video though, did you?
No.
I went, of course we are, that's lovely.
It's been a while.
I know. People have been wanting you. Amid, Henny.
Amid, yeah.
That's what Spencer used to say when we put him to bed when he was about 2 or 3.
Aye.
Used to shout, because we had the baby gate on the door, and used to shout, are you okay down there? And then we'd be laughing, thinking, oh, bless him. This was after like probably 10 minutes of crying as well. And then he used to say, Amedia, Amedia. So that will always say, Amedia. Thank you. So we'll get these.
I love cranberry sauce now.
I know. I know we never really used to buy it, did we? But we'll love it now. Put my stuffing on the top. It's not very spreadable like, but yeah, guys. Dropping it on the floor. So I hope everyone's okay. I hope you had a lovely weekend. It's Saturday night for us now, but it's like nearly 7 o'clock-ish, so this won't be up till tomorrow, as I've told you anyway. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying your weekend, guys. Recharged for the week ahead. Oh, got itchy nose.
Oh yeah, man.
Oh wow, Ken. Nice. I'm going to put some cranberry on top of my stuffing as well.
Oh.
Your jaw's cracking. Yeah, like I say, we'll love cranberry. Delicious. I can't wait to have a bite of mine. That may be a bit too much mint, but never mind. I've also put mint in the gravy. I'm going to... Oh, I'll get a knife to split the sausages, and then I'm going to put a sausage in there. I'm going to fully load mine.
Good.
So, one there. Oh, and I put some roasties in the middle. Just half my sausage. Now some roasties. Look at them, man.
Could have done with the tea towels there.
I'm going then. Already been up. Sloppy,
Jingle
sloppy.
bells, jingle bells.
Oh. Fluffy as hell. Delicious.
Oh.
Jingle all the way.
Put there.
Sorry, get the gravy. Now for the lovely gravy pour. Wow. Is it lush? It's a bit high the table, like. Oh my god,
I think
guys.
it's the table I made. It's slightly higher than.
Yeah, that will be. So that's stuffing, cranberry and mint sauce, chicken, massive pigs in blanket and roast potatoes.
Should show them the outcome of the table and how it's all done.
Oh yeah, it's all stained and finished, sealed. I'll put a picture in now for you to have a look. I think I'm going to half this.
Oh,
Fantastico.
first one down.
Don't really sell too much because we're actually going to have a drink tonight, aren't we?
Yeah, boxing's on, well, beyond now actually.
Is it?
Yeah.
Right. Give you the close up, guys. Yummy. I'll have a bite.
Nice.
Wow.
These roasties are unreal.
Wow. Fantastic, that, like, the bacon's lovely.
Isn't it? Did you have a knife to cut the sausage?
And a fork.
Thank you.
Wow. This is amazing. It's all spilling out. I don't know why we bother getting the teeny pigs and blankets at Christmas. Why don't we always do them?
I know.
Normal sausages. And I've actually just seen on TikTok, guys, if you slice the sausage first, put a stick of brie and then put some cranberry in and then wrap the bacon round, it looks delicious. So I think I'm going to do that on Christmas Day.
Oh yeah.
What lovely sweet cranberry.
Oh no, I love it. I'm not even going to put mint sauce on mine. I just love this.
These are absolutely fantastic, but I'm only going to have one and I'll have some roasties because I don't want to be full when we have a drink. Yeah, but the table's gorgeous, all stained. Looks like we've just bought it.
I know we were seeing some, I mean obviously they're not similar because I'm nowhere near professional.
No, similar to look at.
There were similar ones in Phoenix, weren't there, for like 650, 700.
That was just for the bench. The table was more than that. It was 654. The bench, what went with it? Like the seating bench.
I've got enough wood. I'm going to make one big long one outside.
Yeah, going to make a lovely long one because we're seeing like an outdoor one, didn't we, in Phoenix. And I'm like, God, that would be lovely in our garden. He says, I've still got more wood. I'm like, champion. Oh my God.
Oh, look at the size of that.
Fantastic, this lad. What a pitch I can do. I was just scrolling on my Instagram and it's I put the name up of the place. Someone actually recommended it ages ago. So I started following them, but it's over Gateshead and we never really go over Gateshead. But the food looks absolutely amazing. So that's what inspired this, guys. I love them roasties, those are absolutely delicious. I can tell when they're going to be lush.
Yeah, I've been starving all day as well for this.
And I don't think I've had nothing yet, have I?
I had cereal this morning, that was it.
No, then I haven't because you were up before me. Oh, I had toast, sorry, I'm telling lies. God, you got this covered in gravy.
What?
Aye. Sloppy Joe.
Yeah, man.
So nice. We enjoyed our little date thing, didn't we, Ken?
I know. I could have just stayed out, but obviously I had to come home and...
I know, do you know when you like get the taste for drink and you just want to like stay out and go like bar
we
to
didn't
bar?
have loads, but we'll have 3 pints, maybe 4 max. But it was just nice, like, atmosphere. It was just nice to sit down and...
I love it because you get like people from all walks of life, old, young, and that teepee thing. Everyone just stops by because they had hot drinks as well, like hot chocolate and coffee and tea and stuff. So it was a bit of everything. Like people were having a drink, people were just coming and stopping with a shopping, having a like coffee.
But you can bring your own food in, so Greg's was opposite us. People go and get like the odd bit and coming in and having a hot chocolate.
I know, sitting down having the Greg's, and they were allowed to do it. So it's nice to know.
Well, they do. They invite
You
people.
can just nip over to Greg's.
Yeah.
Look at this, man. If that's not a perfect roast potato. Ooh. Lovely and crisp on the outside, fluffy as heck inside. Delicious, plenty salt on.
I think next year it'd be nice to put a little bit of money to one side. I think we'll go to York.
Yeah.
See their Christmas fair and
I
spend the day
know.
there.
Keep saying since we went on my 40th that we wanted to take the kids, didn't we?
It's a lovely place. The kids would love it.
It'd be nice to just go and get the train down and...
Yeah, well, the tickets don't cost a lot, don't it? It'll just be your day that'll cost.
Yeah. Oh my god. Fantastic. You see the like lovely, big, greasy.
Oh, that was lovely, that.
Have you done 2 in the time I've done 1? You're starving like, weren't you?
I feel like I could go on as well, but you know, like
I know.
you say,
If you save it, then you'll have some for later when you get the munchies off your drink.
Pardon me. They were lovely them though. I'm awful.
Flipping heck, I had loads.
Loads what?
Roasties.
I've had about 4 or 5 or 6 or 7. Well, you like the roasty, please?
When I've bloody made them, I would like to have my share.
So good.
Tremendous. Yeah, so it's already like cracking on time, isn't it? So right guys, while I'm on here, Donna Pass, I want to send our deepest condolences to you at this moment. I know you've just recently lost your grandma, Corrie Martins. Like I say, I'm sending loads of love and hugs your way. You must be absolutely devastated. I'm so sorry for your loss. It's just a sad time, isn't it, when it happens like this time of year as well.
It's like you say, especially when it's this time of year
I
when you hear
know.
like, people's stories and you hear stuff on the news, it's not nice.
No. My nana's quite poorly as well at the moment. She's at the hospital because she went in hospital. She had like the flu. And she was just so dizzy and weak. So I think she was in hospital for 4 days, I think.
Felt that, yeah.
They were giving her intravenous antibiotics and anyway she felt better, so it was finally my visiting time because obviously you were only allowed 2 people per day. So obviously once her kids had been, then my uncle took me up and she actually got discharged while I was there on Wednesday. So she's home now, at least she's in her own home comfort. But she's still like not fully recovered, but she is a lot better than what she has been, but she's still not right. So we're like sort of hoping as well, on like nothing bad happens. Like, I mean, full stop, but especially like over Christmas
it's worse
time.
around Christmas time, isn't it? In any...
Just to be remembered of that every year, like now this time. So I'm hoping to. It's just tough. I'm hoping she lasts. Well, I hope she'll last another 20 years, but obviously that's not going to happen.
I know. Oh, pardon me.
It's really nice.
Is that...
What?
What I was going to say is that your last.
Well, be after this, like.
The roast, what's your favourite?
Probably the roasties.
Oh, they're mine as well.
The sandwich as a whole was gorgeous, but separately, roasties, then these, I love these. I never ever buy another mini pigs in blanket, I'll just make them myself, out the full sausages. Much better. Even if you bought like a nicer sausage to do it and then put the cranberry and
It'd be nice with a bit of honey on top, like a glazed.
Alright.
A little sweet.
Especially with the smoky bacon.
Oh, that was lovely, that. I'm going to have another one more.
Right, there mine. What's left? Put my foot down. You would just keep going and going and going and leave me with 3. Can we play the game or not? No. We have got a Who Wants to Be a Millionaire game we bought weeks ago now, but we still haven't even opened it.
We know what we should do. Do that when we have a drink. Another video.
Yeah, well I was thinking of doing that tonight when we were having a drink, but obviously you want to chill.
Because someone's asked for a drinking video, we should just do a drinking video while playing that.
Maybe next weekend then. We'll do that next weekend, guys. Play the Who Wants to Be a Millionaire game, have a few drinks with yous, have a few snacks and stuff. I was going to try and do it tonight and add it onto this, but obviously can't be bothered. Neither can I, to be honest.
I think when you have something big like this,
I know,
you just want to
go
for an hour, don't
chill
you?
on the sofa.
Well, next week, if we're alright, we'll have a drink, we'll have a bit laugh.
And then it'll just be
on.
snacks, not full on.
Yeah.
Fatty meal like this. What time is it?
Nearly 20.
Nearly 20. Oh, well, that's alright. Just
I was
standard.
worried, like, because I was
I know, I was thinking
one down about 10 minutes, I
this
thought.
is going to be a 10-minute video. We're that hungry, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Lovely to catch up with yous. Again, Donna, I'm so sorry for your loss. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Sarah.